Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a happy transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, in here I add a video. So I wanna add a transition effect. If you wanna add transition effect, you just click on a box white icon, this one. And then in here you can click on social media, click on it, and in here you can swipe until you can see on happy, this one. This is the happy transition effect, so you just click on it, and in here you can click on sorry, if you wanna add a transition effect to all videos, so you just click on apply to all, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add a happy transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.